Nissan Qashqai, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil and oil filter. They share the same engine with a Renault Capture 1.2 Turbo Petrol. If you see my previous video how to change the oil and oil filter on the Renault Capture, you can see it's exactly the same engine. There is this plastic cover underneath that is need to be removed. There is about 8 pussy clips like this one. You need a flat screwdriver or a clip plier and a 4 bolts here at the front. That's how you remove the clips. There is one screwdriver screw over here. And one more over here on the other side. Like I said, they share in the same engine with a Renault on a Renault Capture Generation 1, a Renault Qashqai. That's the sun plug, and that's the oil filter. For the oil filter you need 27mm socket, and for the sun plug you need 8mm square socket special for Renault. If the engine is too hot, be careful your hands because the oil will be boiling. Now we wait 20 minutes until the oil completely drains, and then we put the new filter and a new subwasher. Always put a new subwasher. The oil filter, there is a seal, a rubber seal around here at the bottom. You need to put the new one, it's already in the box. And that's the filter. The torque for the filter is 25 Newton meters. And the torque for the sump plug is 50. Now we put the cover back, exactly the opposite way like we will remove it, and we put the oil. Now we put the oil, 4.7 liters. Oil is 530. I put 4.7 liters. Now we're going to start the engine for 20-30 seconds. We'll wait 5 minutes on the oil to rest, and then we check it on the dipstick over here. We put 4.8 liters. Now we wait in 5 minutes the oil to get rest. And now we measure it with the dipstick. The oil is here exactly on the maximum.